you're going to have to pay a more expensive premium. That's why it's really important, if you do have any of those factors, to get into a group health plan. You can get that through a number of different sources. If you went to university, you can check out if they had a group plan. If you join a number of different social groups, or I know that AARP. If you were in the military, you could probably get a group plan. There are ways to get group plans out there, and that takes the average of everybody's risk and pulls it together so that your rate will be lower. Now, if you're 21, very healthy, non-smoker, no pre-existing conditions, then it doesn't make sense to get a group plan if your work is not supplementing it at all. In that case, it almost makes sense to go outside of the group plan and check to see if you can get a lower rate, which is exactly what I did when I was working for a big company. They weren't actually subsidizing my insurance at all, so that it made sense for me to go outside of that group plan and get a lower rate. I ended up with something like $40 a month, and it was much better coverage. There was a PPO, so instead of having an HMO, I had more options of the doctors that I wanted to go to. Didn't need any referrals, and also you want to look at things like that. Is if you really want to go to the doctor that you want to go to, then a PPO is much better because it'll give you much more flexibility. With a POS health plan, you actually have to go get a referral from your doctor. I find that to be a huge pain, and it's costly. Every time that you need a referral, you need to go to the doctor's office. So I find that PPOs can sometimes actually be cheaper in the long run if you don't need a referral. So these are some of the things to take into account. Check out some of my other posts, some of my other videos. I go a little bit more in depth into this stuff. But health insurance can, especially if you're going individual, you're going for your family, or and it's outside of a group plan, out of work or something like that, can be really costly. I've seen